Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PayPal business account step by step clearly. Go to the PayPal website. Click on the sign up button located in the top right corner. Select business account when prompted to choose an account type. Click on next to proceed. Provide your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password and enter it in the password field. Click on next to continue. Fill in your business information, including the legal business name. Enter your business address, including street, city, state, and postal code. Select your business type from the available options. Provide details about your business, such as the phone number and website, if applicable. Click Continue to move to the next step. Fill out the information about your personal details. Enter your first name, last name, and date of birth. Provide your social security number or taxpayer identification number. Click Continue to proceed. Review the information you have entered for accuracy. Make any necessary corrections before finalizing your registration. Once confirmed, click on Agree and Create Account to complete the registration. You may be prompted to verify your email address. Check your email for a verification message from PayPal. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Log into your newly created PayPal business account. Set up your account preferences as needed. Explore options for linking your bank account and credit card. Your PayPal business account is now ready for transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.